Hi guys, today we are going to do an unboxing of the Naija skate park. So let's just jump right into it. So we're gonna go this. So let's see. Gonna get this one. Comes in this big box, and it comes with a little tech deck. Comes with
This tech deck says Naija on it.
that's the tech deck, and then comes with all these little things to make all this stuff. Comes with these papers.
It comes with these poles. There's like a couple of them. Comes with these two squares. Comes with this. Can be used as a rail. Another one of those squares. Comes with these connectors.
Oh, it comes with this big jump.
Comes with this big ramp. Comes with this.
Comes with these stairs.
Another square.
All these connectors to make it so you can put all the stuff together.
Comes with these stairs. And then under the stairs, it comes with another thing.
Comes with this thing that's signed by Naija.
Has
It's cool.
this ramp.
These 2 rails, and you can buy this other thing to make this another part of it.
These 2 rails can connect right here. There's like little holes to push them in at.
This.
Back. Then it comes with another big connector.
With all these.
Comes with these papers. Another paper thing.
Comes with these little square parts, and then
with this.
that.
Just tap that in there. Another one of these.
So
2 more of these. And a ramp. And yeah, that's what this comes with. Bye.